up guys, welcome back to Dark Matter. Today I wanted to give you an unboxing of the AirPods Pro's second generation. Just give you an idea of, what comes in the box, what to expect if you were to buy these and open these up. I'm going to be reviewing these over the next week or so and comparing them against my first generation AirPods Pros, which they've been good, but I've had a few issues with, things like connectivity, transparency mode, noise cancellation, and especially the battery life. So I'm gonna be running these basically head for head against each other and just kind of see how the new ones stack up as compared to the old ones. The new ones do come at $250 if you buy them direct from Apple or some other stores, but a lot of times these things go on sale. So definitely, like I said in my last video, look for the deals and I'll let you know, if these are worth that new price or not. Let's open them up and see what we got. So going with the standard, what Apple does now, they do have these tear strips now instead of the plastic cellophane wrap that they used to have. I like that a lot better. It's a cleaner look. Sometimes the box can get a little more dirty and dinged up looking, but this one is pretty nice, pretty clean. So let's go ahead and pull these tabs here. No knife needed for this unboxing experience. So of course, as always, you got the book, little instructions. No stickers. Yeah, no stickers with this one. That's interesting. And of course the AirPods Pros themselves, wrapped in a little bit of plastic there. I mean, RIP the environment, but let's put these aside for now. Got this tray that pulls out, and of course there you have your sizes, your different sizes, so you can switch them out. I personally, on the last ones, ended up using the small. This time they included an extra small, so I may have to try the extra smalls out, to be honest. And then of course, last but not least, you do have a charging cable still included in the box. I feel like I never used the charging cable from the last ones. I just plug it into the same charger I use my phone on. Cool thing about the new ones is they do come with MagSafe, and they can even charge on your Apple Watch charger. So I feel like I'm not going to be using the charging cable at all, honestly. Cool, so let's go ahead and bust into these things and see what they're all about. Yeah, I mean, from first glance, they look almost identical to the old AirPods. Of course, my old AirPods Pros are all black from carrying them in my black jeans. I guess the dye just rubs off on them. But, if they weren't completely tarnished, I mean, you could tell that they look almost exactly the same. Now, where you get the main differences, of course, is the new speakers on the case, so that, you can play the sound with Find My and find your AirPods case. And then, of course, the lanyard loop that comes on the AirPods case now, so that's dope. Opening them up. Oh, that's cool. It played a little noise when I opened them up. But they look different a little bit. It's just, the grills on the pods themselves now look different. But aside from that, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference between these. They're roughly the same size and shape. If I didn't know that these were my old AirPods, if they were to be handed to me completely clean, I would think that they were the same thing. They're the same size and everything. That's not a bad thing. I love the size of the old AirPods. I love that I can slip them in my coin pocket. That's why they've gotten so black, is because I just put them in my jeans pocket. I love the size. They're completely pocketable. And yeah, so there you have it. I mean, just a quick unboxing. I'll be getting the review out to you guys soon. Like I said, I'm gonna use them over the next week and just test them out and compare them. But yeah, now you kind of know, like, if you get these things, what to expect when you open up the box. You know, as always, give me a like if you liked this video, if you want more of this content. Comment what I can improve. I got 2 cameras set up this time, so we getting there with the quality. But yeah, please, like, follow along for this journey. This is new to me. I love doing this. I love putting these videos out there for you guys because, you know, this is something that I wanted. This is something that I've liked having. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to Dark Matter. Just a quick unboxing video. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna grab these.